I'm Sarah Jane. Now, this is one of my works that I've done behind me. It is a glass print, and quite often I get asked the question, what is a glass print and how does it look like on a wall? So today I'm going to do a quick little video so you can actually see for yourself what they are. Now, the glass prints are toughened glass. They are actually made here in Australia, so an added little bonus, and they have gorgeous polished edges. Now, hopefully from there you can actually see that it gives the effect that the print is actually floating off the wall. And that does help with the contemporary, modern clean lines that we like to do to complement our work. Now, I will show you here what the back looks like. So we're just gonna pop that off because we have had our Wheaties today. These are heavy, so be careful. There's the plate on the back. Now they do weigh about 10 kilos for this particular one, which is 90 by 60 centimeters. But you don't need to worry. The fixtures and fittings that are provided will hold all the weight. So it's just making sure that you fix everything correctly into the walls and then follow the instructions. So this secondary plate gets attached to the wall. As you can see, it's very secure. I've done a good job there. And then this beautiful print with the plate just slides on top. So we will pop that over, bring it down until you hit the point where you can see that it's actually sitting on that plate. Voila, all done. So like I said, they are very clean lines. They're very modern, so they work perfectly in a modern home. And you can see there, this particular one is called On The Move LB, and it's of a woman, very contemporary. You see her head and her back through there with her spine coming down. But all of my works look great in the glass print, so head to the website, www.bondetail.com.au. See you guys.